Hello, Adam Rayner, Slingshot World TV, looking at the end of Brighton Pier because, well, I'm on East Street. I'm at the illustrious emporium of CH Westons, and these are the first people in the UK to seriously retail high-end catapults and Chinese elastics and WASP slingshots. Coming over to this cabinet here to show you that lovely open gun stock there and that gun stock there, well, they're made by Herd Hawks, not to be confused with Neil Bingham's Hawks catapults. Herd Hawks, he's in West Sussex, and he makes these, and they're on sale here. Gentleman in charge was typically, oh, I need to arrange them so they look better. Proper retailer. But check this out, going in stock right here at Westons, GZK in 0.8 and 0.9, and WASP Unifoxes, sorry about the finger of the lens. My chaps, yes, which right now is any colour as long as it's see-through clear plastic. That's Ivan on the right and Mick on the left. They come in many colours. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, the first shop in the UK to properly sell Chinese elastic and WASP slingshots retail. I'm so thrilled. Can you hear? I'm slightly overexcited. And this gentleman's an absolute star in his coat with the full Rayner experience. As did Mick the other day. Thanks ever so much, guys. You are such stars. Oh, and of course, oh, by the way, yes, the whole reason for this is my media mogul empire's expansion. Their stock is some Slingshot World magazine. Hurrah! Brilliant. Yes, they don't know I'm going to try and nag an advert out of them later, but actually I did admit it. Anyway, the slightly overexcited Adam Rayner signing out from Westons in Brighton. Thanks, guys. You're complete stars.